Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to complete a PDF assignment in Google Classroom using Dochub. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, open your preferred browser and navigate to dochub.com. Once you're on the site, sign into your account using your credentials. This step ensures you have access to all of Dochub's editing features and can save your work directly to the platform. After you've successfully logged in, you'll land on Dochub's main dashboard screen. This is your central workspace where you can manage all your documents. Now, to complete a PDF assignment in Google Classroom with Dochub, look at the left-hand menu on your screen. Here, you'll find a button labeled New Document. Go ahead and click on it to begin the process of uploading your assignment file. Once you click New Document, you'll be prompted to add the file you wish to complete. Click on Select File, and this will open a File Explorer window on your computer. From here, simply browse through your folders to locate the PDF assignment file you need to work on. Click on the file to select it, then click on Open to upload it to Dochub. This is the file that contains your assignment questions or tasks that you need to fill out or complete. Now, wait a moment while the upload process finishes. Depending on your file size and internet connection, this might take a few seconds. Once the file has been successfully uploaded, you'll see a button at the bottom part of the window that says Create Document. Click on it to proceed. This action will open your PDF in Dochub's document editor, where all the magic happens. You'll now find yourself on the document editor page, which is where you can actually complete your assignment. Look at the left side of your screen and you'll notice a toolbar with all the editing tools available in Dochub. These tools allow you to add text, insert signatures, highlight sections, draw shapes, and much more. Use these features to fill out your assignment exactly as required. Take your time here to ensure everything is completed accurately and professionally. Once you've finished completing your assignment, it's time to submit it to Google Classroom. Look at the top right part of your screen and click on the hamburger icon, which is represented by 3 horizontal bars. This will open a context menu with several options available to you. From the list that appears, select Download and Export. This option gives you various methods to save or share your completed document. A download and export window will now appear, presenting you with all the available methods you can use to get your file where it needs to go. From the list of options, click on G Drive. This allows you to upload your completed PDF assignment directly to Google Drive, which integrates seamlessly with Google Classroom. Simply add the Classroom Drive link when prompted, and your assignment will be uploaded and ready for submission. And that's it! You've successfully completed and submitted your PDF assignment in Google Classroom using Dochub. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.